In this pencast, we're going to be learning about dividing polynomials. This problem says divide 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus x plus 2 by x plus 2. Alright, so let's set this up just like a long division problem. So 3x cubed plus 5x squared minus x plus 2. It's going to be under the division sign, and outside is going to be x plus 2. Alright. So just like if we were doing normal long division, our first step is to look at 3x cubed. So we need to find out how many times we need to multiply, or what we need to multiply x plus 2 by to give us 3x cubed. Alright, so since we know that we have an x cubed, we know that we need to multiply by x squared to get x to x cubed. And we also know that we need to multiply by 3. So to get x to be 3x cubed, we need to multiply by 3x squared. So 3x squared times x is equal to 3x cubed. So that's good. But we can't just multiply to x. We have to multiply the whole x plus 2. So we're going to have 3x squared times x plus 2. So that's going to give us 3x cubed plus 6x squared. Right? So we're going to put what we multiplied by on top. So 3x squared is going to go on top. And then underneath of here, we're going to subtract what we got. So 3x cubed plus 6x squared. All right? So when we do that subtraction, we're going to come out with 0 minus x squared, and then we need to drop this stuff down from the top. Minus x plus 2. Alright, so now we need to keep going doing the same thing. So what do we need to multiply x plus 2 by to give us negative x squared minus x plus 2? So we know that if we multiply x times negative x, we get negative x squared. But again, we can't just multiply the x, we need to do the whole thing. So negative x times x plus 2 is what we're actually going to do. It's going to be equal to negative x squared minus 2x. So we're going to put a minus x on the top, and then we're going to continue and subtract what we got, which is minus x squared minus 2x. When we subtract that, we get 0, and then negative x minus negative 2x is the same as x, so plus x plus 2. Alright, so now we're just left with x plus 2, and we know that x plus 2 times 1, obviously. So 1 times x plus 2 is obviously equal to x plus 2. So we put a 1 on the top, positive 1, and then we put on the bottom what we got, which is minus x plus 2. Now we come out with zeros, and that means that we're done. So our answer is 3x squared minus x plus 1.